Hi, my name is Renilyn Mendoza. Nature? Did you know? Nature is a wonderful engineering, and its system works flawlessly and unless we indulge. Environment education provides us a guidelines, and the nature carry on its limit. How can harmonize our needs within its limit? It shown us way of sustainable growth and development. Environmental awareness, it provides us opportunity to know the nature, to cherish and feel graceful to it. It gives us a window to look at problems that are can important, treat and buildings. Call science to solve them. We work towards environmentally systematic people rather than forcing them by law. For environmental conservation, conserving the environment, slowly not taking it serve of charity, rather than sins of a duty. Environmental is not heritage gifted for our God or God. Rather, it is a loan that we need to pay awareness for environmental conservation. In the end, we need to restore the earth. We need to restore the wild. We need to save our world. We need to save in order to ourselves, not only for the other human, but for all the people. Water is a life in matrix. There is no life without water. Sun is ultimate source of energy, but we need to defend the dirty oil. Thank you. Cut!
Ay, cat na ba?
Ala,